Trish with ServPro of Hunt Valley in Hartford County, and we're talking about content cleaning today in episode 4 of Talking Shop. I'm here with Justin Shrader. He's our production manager for general cleaning and fire cleaning for those services of our business. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself? How long have you been with ServPro?
I started with ServPro in May of 2017, so it's just a little over 2 years that I've been with ServPro.
Okay. Is that your first step into the restoration industry?
No, I've been doing restoration for 13 years now.
Okay.
So
you're an expert?
Sure.
So can you tell us a little bit about content cleaning? In what instances do you use content cleaning?
Well, contents are usually cleaned from a large fire loss. When we first get there, check everything out, make sure everything's what can be cleaned, what can't be cleaned. We bring it all back here. But I mean, there's other reasons for content cleanings. I mean, if you have a bad water job, you know, sometimes people want their stuff saved and we can clean it and bring it back here and clean it. Mold jobs, we can clean contents for mold jobs. But fire's where the most of the content cleaning comes.
Are you cleaning on a daily basis?
Every day.
Every single day.
We're cleaning something. Yep.
Can you walk us through the process of a typical fire job? So we get approval to do the contents cleaning for the fire job. How does it work?
From the beginning, we'll go out, take a look, decide what can be saved, what can't be saved. We'll inventory everything that can't be saved. We'll also document and inventory everything that can be saved, brought back, tagged, documented on where it is, where we can find it. Each box has its own individual barcode in the system that we use.
What's the system called?
Short pack out. And then we have another one that we use called Track It. Track It's where we can actually track what box is here, how many boxes are here, what's in that particular box, and if it's been cleaned yet or not.
And we store everything on site here,
That is
right?
correct.
All these beautiful crates. How many do we have?
167 crates.
Okay. How big's our warehouse here?
20,000 square foot.
A lot of crates, isn't it?
It's a lot.
And what's the turnover?
Anywhere from 6 to 9 months, all depending on how fast the rebuild's done, if there's a need for a rebuild. A lot of times it's a lot sooner than that, but it all depends on the severity of the loss from the beginning.
And the contents aren't like cut off from the customer, right? They can come and get them if they need them?
Yep, all they have to do is they can call our office, schedule an appointment. I can make sure that I'm here, or somebody from our crew's here to assist them to find whatever they may need. It's just a phone call, that's all it takes.
Perfect. All right, well, thank you very much for your time.
No
I
problem.
appreciate it.
Thank you.